My name is Gotham Justice.
My name is Bobby.
Grrr, grrr, grrr. Goofy Goober Rock River. That's what are. Which is really not. Yeah, this is. Wait, okay. I have a question.
Are you really gonna say it?
No!
Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This is Goofy Goober Rock River.
But most of all, settle down. Take it easy.
I lied. This is forward.
I'm Goofy Goober. You're a Goofy Goober.
I'm sad we know this song.
We're all Goofy Goober. Goofy, Goofy, Goober, Goober.
I think you're shaking the couch. This is really awkward.
Put your toys away. Well, I gotta
Oh,
say
shit.
when you need your say.
I don't care. Alright, here we go. Reverse. Boogie Booger. Hell.
Hit my lip every day.
That's boring. That wasn't as... Yeah, that wasn't as great as I expected that one to be. This is actually fun songs backwards.
That's you.
I'm sorry, I'm getting creeped out. Didn't we listen to something else like something like I think hold on, let me see this. I need this right here. No, I'm not gonna use it right here. This way.
You look good, Holly. Like one like blonde chick right there.
One
That'd be
blonde
really
chick?
good. Yeah.
Like Abby usually.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's alright. Maybe like here, let me do this again. You know what? I'm just gonna go blonde mustache.
There you go. Mine? Where is yours at?
My ponytail.
You want this?
Yeah. Here you go.
Grab mine.
Grab mine.
I think I look good.
It's on my face.
You got game bro. I look like the Grudge now, cause man, my hair's down. We tried to freak ourselves out earlier.
Yeah,
watching
yeah.
all this scary shit.
Yeah, it didn't work.
Yeah. We don't go to the bathroom alone.
Except this one that was kind of.
We're like what, 14, 15. We won't go to the bathroom alone.
Nope, never.
That's not gonna. This is gonna suck if we watch this and it's gonna be all mumbled. I'd be pissed.
Me too. That's why I'm gonna scream now on. Was that necessary?
My mom comes out. What are y'all doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing? God.
What are you? Why are you creeping?
Go back to sleep. Okay?
I don't look like a monkey.
Alright.
There we go. I'm a goofy gooper. Alright, you're creeping now. It's freaking me out. Y'all need to stop. My hair looks terrible. It's only like 2:30. You know, it's all good.
What
This
I
is
did with
stupid.
my bangs like this. Y'all can't see me.
I wouldn't hang out with you. You look like a 5-year-old.
My thighs look really big.
I'm a Griffey Gerber.
Ah!
How do you sing like that?
That's never off.
Thanks for taking the entire thing. No, that's not how I'm sitting. I'm sitting like.
Oh, hey there. Vagina
uh,
shot.
Applesauce. Hands in the lap.
Okay, let's watch it. It's like not even recording, is it?